Good morning, student. Today we will start our second chapter, teeth and microbes. Teeth are very important part of our body. We all are born without teeth. Teeth start growing out of the gums later. By the age of 3, a child has a set of 20 teeth. This set of teeth is called milk teeth or temporary teeth. By the age of 6, a child starts losing the milk teeth one by one. As the milk teeth fall, new teeth grew in their places from the gums. This new set of teeth is called permanent teeth. Every adult usually has a set of 32 teeth, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. Upper and lower jaw have same kind of teeth. If you lose any tooth from the set of permanent teeth, you will not get a new one in its place. Teeth are very important in our life. It gives shape to our face. Second one, it is help us bite and chew the food. And third, it is help us speak clearly. Our next topic is kinds of teeth. There are 4 important parts of teeth. First is incisor. The 4 front teeth in each jaw are incisor. They have sharp straight edges. They are used for cutting and biting the food. They are also called cutting teeth. Second teeth is canines. There are 2 canines in each jaw. As you can see, they are present on either side of the incisor in each jaw. They are very sharp and pointed. They help tear the food. They are called the tearing teeth. And our third most important teeth is the premolar. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. They are next to the canines. They are broad and flat. They help us crack and crush the food like nuts. They are also called crackling teeth. Our fourth important teeth is molars. There are 6 molars in each jaw. They are next to the premolars. They are bigger and broader than premolars. They help grind the food. They also called the grinding teeth. So, in an adult, there is a 32 of teeth. There are the 8 incisor, 4 canines, 8 premolar and 12 molars. Now we will discuss structure of tooth. When we open our mouth and look in the mirror, we can see our teeth. The soft gum hold our teeth tightly at their places. Each tooth has 2 parts, crown and root. The part of the tooth that we can see is crown, and the part inside the gum which we cannot see, it is root. The outside white covering of the tooth is called enamel. This is the hardest material in the human body. The layer inside the enamel that forms the main hard part of the tooth is called dentine. The center of a tooth is called pulp. It lies inside the dentine. It is soft and has the blood vessels and nerves. Student, we will discuss the end of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day and please do revise